Now we will start draw the staircase in our model, but actually in staircase we have two levels. The first level for the width from the bottom, and then the level of landing, and also in the top. For example, I can draw here, and the height of story should be 3.5 meters, and stairs should be from this floor to this floor, so the level of landing should be in the middle of this floor, this story. So it be in the middle story. This is the landing, so the level of landing should be 1.75. That means we can take the total height of story, story divided by 2. So in Etabs, I go to elevation. Please, I choose one. We can no matter you can choose another one or one later. Or choose A. Okay. So I will draw this staircase from the ground floor to the level 1. To draw, I will make another reference plan for the landing. To do, we go to the draw the reference plan. So the vertical offset set should be the height from ground floor to level 1 divided by 2. Might to be 3.5 and 1,750 millimeter. Enter, click from here. Yes, reference plan 1, and we can go to plan view. Yes, reference plan 1, apply, and OK. Now in our CAD file, we can be show this boundary of staircase from here to here. I will delete this dimension all. Okay, so my width of stair should be start from here and end from here, and this from here to here is the landing. So now I'm working on the level of my landing. So I will create 2 points from here to here and here to here to make the reference point. So to be sure, I start from the center of column to this should be 300, and also in iteration y that 50 on the left and 300 on down. This is from the grid line F and grid line 2. So we draw joint object. Left to be minus 50 and down minus 300. Yep, minus 300. Grid line F and 2 should be from here. Yes. Okay. So width of stair should be 1,160. 1,160. I select this point, applicate H0 and minus 1.16. Apply. Yes. And the spacing about 100 minus 0.1. Yeah. And another be the same 1.16. Yeah, close. So I will draw another frame no matter in this section. I click and start from here to here. So I will extrude this frame to cell for width of stair. So my stair should be start from up, from this up and from this up. And if we stand at the landing level, we will see we should be start from this point down and start from this point up. So I select the frame and go to extrude frame to cell, and my direction is X direction. So I will measure how far from here. 2.7 minus 2.7, we will start from this point to this point, and y 0 and the z is the height. So we stand at the level of landing, so down it should be 1.75. That means 3.5 divided by 2. Yeah. And number is 1. And delete source object. I will delete this frame after creating the shell. Apply. Yeah. The same thing, but this. Sorry. Select. This will be down. Minor. Okay. Apply. And also this will be up. Just apply. And we can look at 3D. Yes. This is our stairpiece. Okay, go back again to the different plan. The same thing. I create another frame from here to here, and I will extrude the frame to shell. What I will measure how long from here is 1.19. Yeah. From this point. Yeah. Detail. I select this object and also extrude frame to cell in X direction, but plus 1.19. Z should be 0, number 1, and delete source. Yeah. Can 3D. Okay, I will assign this slab and this cell to the stair slab thickness. So define section, slab section. I will copy the property, but actually it should be staircase. I want thickness 120. Yeah. Okay. Select this cell and go to assign cell slab section ST12. Apply and OK. Yep. And assign again, clear outside. Yep. Okay. And for my stair should be here. It is from ground floor to level 1 is 3.5, and from level 1 to level 2 3.5, and from level 2 to level 3 also 3.5. So this story stair will be the same because it's the same height. So I will copy from this level to both of this level. Okay, select stair and stair landing, and also this one. Applicate, and we copy at level 1 and level 2. You can see, yeah. Or we can level 2, level 3, sorry. Yeah, level 2, level 3, because our stair is at the level 3. Okay, level 2 and level 3, apply. Yep. Okay, and close. The same thing go to plan view. And the same thing go to elevation. We can choose one of them. Okay. Now I will draw the staircase from level 3 to level 4. From level 3 to level 4 is 3.1. So 300,000 and 100 divided by 2 for 1,550. So I will go back to the Etabs. The same process. We will draw reference plane. Here that should be 1,550. Enter and start from here. Reference plane 2. Modify and go to plane view. Reference plane 2. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And the same thing. We will start the measure the same, make a point the same. So here on the left 50 and down 300. Go to draw join object minus 50 and y minus 300. Enter and here. And select this point, replicate to be in y direction, just minus 1.16, and also minus 0.1, and the same minus 1.16. Yep, close. We create one frame, apply, select this one, is 2 frame to cell, distance from x to y to 2.7, minus 2.7, y direction 0, z should be down to 1.15, 1.55, and the object. Okay. Up. Yep. The same thing. Should be 1.19. Set 0. Yep. And close. And go to 3D. Yes. Got this. Yeah. And we will assign cell lab. Okay. Can previous selection replicate story from the roof. Our stair is at level 4. So we copy that level 5 up to the roof level. Only level 5 up to 17. We can preview. Yep. Our previews there. Okay. Close. Sign, clear or sign. Now I'll finish to draw our stair and cobble. Civil. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now we go back to floor plan. We can start to the ground floor. Now we already finished our draw our stair, and shear wall and core wall. Now we will delete our reference plane, edit, modify reference plane, and delete all them. Again, okay. Yeah, and we can right click and show all object. Okay. Now we see that our beam intersect with our core wall, so we will delete this beam. So we can make it all story. Select this one and press delete. And also we can draw the beam connect from this this wall to this wall, this wall to this wall. Also this draw section 14, can say all story. Also from this joint to this joint.